We're not going to be talking about that, all right? We're talking only about how much is paid per stream to distributors for the exploitation of the sound recording.
Ronkay brings you the knowledge.
Welcome to another episode of Tea with Ronkay. This is a place where I'll be giving you nitty-gritty of the music business as it relates to the artist management, artist marketing, promotions. So, you know how we do. This is Ronkay. On this episode, I want to be talking about a very important topic, which is the question that most people always ask me. They ask me like, okay, yeah, how much does the music stores pay per stream? And I'm always finding it difficult to answer that question because there's no flat rate when it comes to how much music stores pay per stream. And when we're talking about pay per stream at this point, we're only talking about how much the stores give to the music distributors to give to the artists for the exploitation of their music on the DSPs. You know, there are some other monies that's paid by the DSPs but doesn't go to the music distributors. So we're not going to be talking about that, all right? We're talking only about how much is paid per stream to distributors for the exploitation of the sound recording, all right? So that's what we're talking about here. Now, what Apple Music pays per stream for the same location is different from how much Spotify pays for the same location per stream. So what do I mean? Now, let's assume the stream is coming from somewhere like Norway, right? Norway has very high per stream rates on Spotify, on Apple Music, because it's on record that they pay more for their subscription in those countries. So it tends to happen that when any of these people in those countries stream your music, you tend to earn more, all right? So, but essentially what I'm trying to say here, I'm not going to give you the figures. I could share the figures at the end of this video so that maybe you can see the figures officially. As of today, those prices can change over time, but as of today, this is what it is. But what I'm trying to say here is, if you're streamed on Spotify, and your stream is coming from Norway, it's coming from United States, it's coming from Canada, it's coming from Ghana, it's coming from Nigeria, Spotify will not pay you the same rate per stream. For the stream that came from Norway, it's not going to be the same rate per stream. For the stream that came from Canada, those rates are going to be different, all right? So that's what we're going to, because some people have asked me, I've had these thousands of streams, and I'm getting this, but I expect that I'm going to get this based on the fact that when you Google how much per stream that you're going to get on Spotify, you see 0.0043, but it's not 0.0043 for every region in the world. That is the price for the United States, and that's what you get to see on when you Google price per stream for Spotify. And that's what you get to see, $0.004. But it's not always true for every region. If your stream is coming from Israel, you can't expect to get $0.004 per stream, all right? There's a different rate per stream for Israel if your stream is coming from Israel. If your stream is coming from Norway, it is a lot higher than 0.004. If it's coming from Denmark, it's a lot higher than 0.004. But if it's coming from Nigeria, it's a lot lower than 0.004. So if all your fans are based in Nigeria and they're streaming your songs and you have 1,000 streams, don't expect $4. What you're going to get is $0.12 for 1,000 streams. So that is the issue here. So this is the reason why I'm going to give you this tea, for you to be aware that the streams and the price and how much you get per stream is dependent on, number one, the DSP that you are getting streamed from, and number two, the region in the world where you're getting your streams from. Those are the two factors that determine the price per stream that you get. So you are still on Tea with Ronkay. Don't go anywhere. So it's time for you to go ahead, subscribe, like, share, and DM for consultation. You know, we're the best in the game. Thank you. See you next time.